Hi, it's Glenn with a Perfect Yacht Marine Services. Just a brief update on the summer progress on the 26-foot Runabout. It used to have a cutout at the top of the swim step just behind the motor hatch, and I bought the height up of this area to the same level as the finished teak deck in that area. It would create a small wall effect as well as provide a nice design to let the teak expand across the aft area and provide a more finished, cohesive look. Also deflects a little bit of water if needing to be in reverse for a little bit during a choppy sea state. I sand and prepare the area, masking it off carefully around the previously varnished transom areas. White primer and filling was used to make the area as smooth as possible, and the gray paint is a epoxy primer made by All Grip. And therefore, afterwards, I would spray the All Grip topside paint a royal blue color. Also of note is a lot of care was taken and attention to detail to carefully mask off and to keep the paint off of the new teak decking, and also underneath that plastic, those squares are of course a nice finished varnish mahogany veneer. Note that it is critical in any painting process to always plan your pathway of painting in your methodology. Note that I start from the top and first get into the corners, and then I work my way out from the corners onto the more projected areas. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk to you real soon. Give me a call if you've got any questions or you want to start your next yacht restoration project.